Good morning. Let's get ready to go to work. So while we get ready for work, let's talk about data science. Putting on my sunscreen even though it's cloudy as hell in Seattle today. So I'm of the view that there are 3 types of data science jobs. The first job type is the type that I have, which is where you support a platform or a service and your models are actively in use, as in they're actively predicting something. So what your job would look like is you build a model to say do fraud detection, which is something you would do at a bank. So your model would sit behind the credit cards or debit cards or accounts. Someone swipes their card, you gotta really quickly classify, is this fraud, is this not fraud? And then the model will return to the customer, whether that's is your card being used right now? Like, is this your card? Blah, 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 is this your charge? The second type of job is a research, academic, or otherwise PhD related job. So like the people who build ChatGPT, they have at least one PhD, let's just say. And they are always focused on like writing the new paper, researching the newest model, staying up to date on like what is the hottest of the hot tech trends. My company has a team that is a group like this, that they develop like these big, like they would be building our ChatGPT for internal use. And they're the ones who are researching like the really aggressive stuff. They all have PhDs. I just got a ping at work because it's 9:02 and I'm running late a bit. And I've been doing some PM work as of recent. And I just got a message with the actual PMs that I was referred to as a PM. That's so cute. So the last type of data science work or data science job type that I would classify would be kind of product analytics. In this type of role, you're focused on maybe like marketing or sales, and you're doing like these kind of reporting, forecasting type things, trying to figure out how to engage more users in your product or your service. The type of work you would do here is more like regression, forecasting, classification, anomaly detection, like clickstream patterns, time series, like those type of problems. Not so much like deep neural networks and things like that. It's like finding like the slight patterns, maybe doing more statistical analysis, but it just kind of depends on the capacity of your role, because this could very much be a data analyst role if you're focused more just on the analysis, versus if you do like the whole data engineering pipeline, you maybe host a model. So what are some related careers that are not data science? You end up being a data analyst, you could be a data engineer, you could be a business intelligence analyst, you could be a software engineer, you could be a product manager, you could be a designer, you could be a UX experience person, all sorts of things. I'm all ready for work. See you in the next one. Bye.